Algebra 2, 22.4, I'm on the back, number 5. Division problem, and it's multiple choice. We're dividing 2a plus 3 into all of this, and I've set up my box already. I've got 2a plus 3 there. I put what I'm dividing into down here on the bottom, 8a to the fourth plus 8a cubed minus 2a squared minus 8a minus 33. So we're going to go ahead and start the box here. This 8a to the fourth will start here, which means this is 4a to the third, because I wanted to multiply with 2a to give us that. Then to multiply 4a to the third by 3, I get 12a to the third. Excuse me. Then negative 4a to the third here, because I wanted to add with 12 to make a positive 8, which makes this a negative 2a squared. Now before I move on, if you look at our 4 multiple choice answers, already I can eliminate half of them, because I've divided so far, I've gotten 4a to the third minus 2a squared, and these two have that same thing. They start off with 4a to the third minus 2a squared. These two have additions, so I can get rid of c and d, so we'll ignore those now. Concentrating on which one is going to be right, either a or d. And notice the rest of them, the only thing that's different is at the very end. It's either minus 12 or plus 12. So chances are it's just dealing with that remainder. So I'm going to continue dividing. Negative 2a squared times 3 is negative 6a squared. Positive 4a squared, because that will subtract 6 to get negative 2. 2a times 2a is 4a squared. That's 6a down on the bottom. Now this one's tough. Now numbered minus or adding with 6 to give negative 8a is negative 14a. Negative 14 plus 6 is negative 8. And if you're stuck, if that's hard to do in your head, remember you can always just subtract. What you're really doing is you're taking negative 8 from the bottom, subtracting that to get this result. Negative 7a, negative 7 times 2a is negative 14a. It gives me negative 21. And it doesn't match the negative 33, so I have to go backwards again. I have to go one more step to get that remainder at the very end. Now, if you notice, both of these say it's 12, so I'm just going to use, let me see, 12 plus negative 21, I want it to be negative 33. So if we had negative 12 plus negative 21, that gives me the negative 33. That means my remainder is negative 12, which means it should be a, because a ends with minus 12 over what we're dividing by the 2a plus 3. So my answer in number 5 is a.